Today me and my buddy Lance here, we're going to be showing you how to fix your security problem with your Chevrolet.
Alright, if you have a GM vehicle, Tahoe, Silverado, etc., I think 96 to 99, early 99 models, and some Tahoes, and I believe like 2500s go up to like 2000, something like that. Anyway, if you're having a problem with your security light, your vehicle won't start, either your security light is blinking. More commonly with this problem, your security light will stay on solid, and your truck, may start and crank and stay running for about 2 seconds and then cut off, like it's losing fuel, like the fuel pump's cutting off. It's cutting off the injectors. What's causing all that, if most of the time, if your light is staying on solid, is the pass lock anti-theft control module. It's located in the dash in between the steering column and your ashtray, and it's mounted. It's hard to see in here. It's mounted to the bottom of the dash. It snaps to it. Has one harness plugged into it. Like I said, if your security light's staying on solid, this is probably your problem. Pop this out, and what you'll have once you get it out, you'll have this little module. This module controls the signal from the ignition switch from your key to the computer. So if this is not working, your truck's not going to run. I've seen a lot of videos about the resistors and this and that. We've been that route, and it is it will work sometimes on some vehicles, but then you're bypassing your alarm system. If you do this, you're repairing it, and you still have a full functioning alarm system. So once you get this out, like I said, it snaps to the dash. You have to pop down the ashtray. The ashtray sits in here. It's got little plastic rivets. You just pop these out with a flathead screwdriver. Pop this down. Like I said, it'll be mounted up here. Pop it down, reach in from up under the steering column and unplug the wiring harness and pull it out. Once you get it out, it'll have these little plastic tabs. Unsnap it, use a flathead screwdriver, unsnap this, fold forward, unsnap these little tabs. This one's all broke up, old one. And then pull this off. Inspect this board, it'll be burnt. If this is bad, it'll be burnt. This one's burnt right here. So, what do? The putting a resistor in and relearning the computer and all that is not going to work, because none of this is communicating with the computer. So, if you're having this problem, get in contact with us and we'll get you a new module and get you back rolling. Have a good day.